They have two clones of this rose, one collected by his friend Mr. Narendra Singh of Ranchi. He was on a hunting trip and had camped by stream's edge, and early the next morning, just as the sun was rising, he saw to his amusement white roses at the water edge. The other form is the Bengal form, originally collected by the well-known Bengal horticulturist Mr. Shiva Prasad Banerjee. This was from an island on the river Padma, which branches off from the river Ganges near Murshidabad in West Bengal. This species was carefully preserved by the late Dr. N.C. Sen, and this time was probably the only plant in cultivation. The third form, also called Rosa lily, is found in the lower Himalayan around Kumaon in Nepal and in Mount Abu, a hill station at about 1200 meters in Rajasthan in western India. They were able to, after much search, to locate this plant growing in Oria village in Mount Abu at virtually the same point where it was originally located by G. King in 1888. It differs from the eastern India forms in bearing flowers in corymbus rather than singly. From the taxonomic point of view, Mr. Ghora and Mr. Panigrahi indicate that apart from the type species Rosa clinophila is found in two other varieties, Rosa clinophila var. Glabra and Rosa clinophila var. Parvifolia, where the leaflets are glabrous on both sides, unlike the typical form where the leaflets are tomentose, woolly beneath. According to the authority, var. Glabra has flowers up to 5.5 cm across, wherein var. Parvifolia, these flowers are much smaller, 2 centimeters, and the leaflets as can be imagined as smaller. The flowers of the typical Rosa clinophila are in between in size. As regards Rosa lily, which is treated as separate species by taxonomists, the most striking difference are the prickles which point downwards and the flowers bearing produced in corymbus, 3 to 7 together, unlike the solitary flowering habit of Clinophila, which was prickles pointing upwards. The great taxonomist Mr. Francois Crépin was of the opinion that Rosa lily is a hybrid of Rosa clinophila with Rosa moschata, in which he included the Himalayan Rosa brunoni. A word on the hips of Clinophila, there are round and woolly tomentose outside and quite light, confirming that the distribution of these seeds through water, which corresponds to the typical float plant habitat. The shining evergreen foliage as well as the involucres which surround the buds are features of Rosa clinophila. This species is closely related to Rosa bractata.